Alright, so here we're going to show you the first dirt track build we're going to do again. Did one last year, it failed, but we found another car for free. We paid nothing for it, and it's right up the road from us. Got this damn thing for free. It's a front wheel drive, 4-cylinder, just like we want to enter it in. The dude said it sat there for like 5 years, and he said it ran, and we put a new battery in it, and lo and behold, after sitting there for 5 years, it actually does run, which is kind of surprising. It's a 2003 Dodge Neon, and here's the receipt from Rock Auto I found that shows from 2017 that they bought motor mounts and the transmission mount, and crazy enough, they haven't worked on the car since then, and it's been sitting here. And we actually managed to get it. It's been sitting in his yard for a while, and I decided to stop by and ask him if he would sell it, or whatever. He said, yeah, you can have it for free. You can probably tell right there, it's hard to say, has a dent right there on the roof from when the trees hit it. We washed it up a little bit. We can still see the moss all over the place. It's really bad, but a lot of scratches. Pretty okay though. Cranked right up, put a little bit of oil in it, put like 2 gallons of gas, and it cranked right up and drove right down the road from ours. I mean, it looks really nice for what it is after it's sit there for 5 years too. I mean, it's gonna be a perfect dirt track car. That headlight's got full of water, look like a dirty fish tank. That headlight's salvageable. Freaking tire right there is ruined. And let me see the interior. The interior was really bad. I mean, it was like freaking nasty as hell. And we cleaned the interior out. Had a hell of a lot of fucking ants in here. Had some wasps. Cleaned all that out. But for a dirt track car, it's not gonna matter because all this should be ripped out anyway. But we cranked the car up, and it had like 144,000 miles on it. Still had the cats in it. Radio ain't in it, but that don't matter. I mean, yeah, this car was pretty good for what we paid for it. I mean, 144,000 miles and runs, drives fine. All we have to do is just strip the damn thing and put the roll cage in and start driving it. I ain't gonna be pussyfooting with this one. Last year we had a Cavalier we did, or not last year, but this year, and we fucked up and cut the wiring harness in the wrong way, and it fucked the fuel pump up. We couldn't get the damn thing to start ever again, so we had to scrap it. But this time we will learn from the mistakes and not do that again. But yeah, here's the introductory video of the car that we'll be driving in March this year, coming in 2022, and this will be the new front wheel drive class car for us. I mean, can't wait to get the damn thing on the track and get this ready. And I'm going to be documenting the whole process of how to damn make you a dirt track car. The good, the bad, the ugly, everything. So yeah, this is part 1 of this series. Alright, so this is the intro to part 2 of the dirt track build of the Dodge Neon. Took a video yesterday, but it rained too much and made it really impossible to do this. But we got the headlights out, and we took the trunk inner liner out, and we took the bottom seats out also. That's all we've done so far. We're trying to save as much as we can for the videos, but right now I'm still trying to let the car air out, but it still stinks really bad of mold and roaches and ants and spiders and whatever else you could probably think of in this damn thing. But today I'm hoping to take out the back seats, the passenger seat, and the carpet and headliner and tail lights. I'm gonna leave the driver's seat in for right now until we can actually get another seat and the cage. But yeah, this is the car so far. We tested it, we moved it from last night from over there to over here. Ran fine. In a few weeks we'll be giving it a tune-up and taking everything out the engine bay that we don't need, such as like the washer tank and whatnot, and cleaning it up, because it's like
At least yesterday had like brown cluses all up in this thing, and you know, overall it looks really disgusting, and you can tell it's been sitting there for a while, but surprisingly it still ran. But we definitely have to fix all that and make it look a little bit nicer, and then give it a tune up and new oil and new coolant. Hell, even a new air filter might work too for it. Anything is better than nothing, I suppose. But this is just a little beginning intro for part 2. I'll resume it later, because right now it's like 12:30. I'm on lunch break because I work from home. So I just came out here and make a quick video to show y'all what's looked like so far, what we gotten done so far before we continue later on today. And then probably when you see me again, you'll probably be in a time lapse, most likely. And yeah, so see y'all again soon. Alright, this is part 3 of the dirt track race car build. This is what we all got done last night. Took the headliner out, took the door panels off and burnt the plastic off of them. We started working at the dash and whatnot. Took all the seams out, took the headlights and tail lights out, took the back seats completely out, took that little back piece up there out. Gotta take the speakers and all that shit out. So today we're going to take the rest of the interior out, the dash out, and take all the windows out, and then we'll see if we can't find someone who builds roll cages, or just buy one off the internet and cut the top off and start installing it. So this is the update for part 3 in the beginning. I'll give you all time lapse later. So this is part 4, dirt track build. Got the car lifted up, trying to cut the cats off now. Almost got the dash out all the way. And we put the muffler off of it so far. And we're going to start modifying the exhaust of it out past the driver door. Just right now finalizing some other stuff, and it's done. Get the seat belts out and some of the wiring, and as you can tell. Alright, here's an update on the race car. We've painted it, we're not finished yet. We decided to paint it yellow. It's gonna be like black letters. So far we got the fenders, the doors, the trunk, most of the front fender. We just have to finish the roof and the front bumper. But overall it's not that bad. So yeah, here's the update for the painted race car. It's gonna be probably number 36. So yeah, stay tuned. Almost done.